Are you looking for natural ways to balance your hormones? In this video, I will be talking about 5 essential oils that are good at supporting women's hormones. All right, let's jump in and talk about oils. The first essential oil is clary sage. Clary sage is an herb that grows up to 6 feet in height. The main chemical component of clary sage oil is linolyl acetate, part of the estrus group, making it one of the most relaxing, soothing, and balancing essential oil. This oil helps any menstrual discomfort and balancing estrogen levels in the body. I have used this oil internally and topically. Internally, I just add a couple drops under my tongue, and then for topically, I have added this to my bathroom so I can easily apply to my abdomen area or add to my bath salts when I take a bath. A helpful book that I've read is called Essential Oil Hormone Solution by Dr. Mariza Snyder. She has a 14-day meal plan including essential oil recipes to help reset your body and balance your hormones. So I highly suggest getting this. I'll put the link to the Amazon, or if you like to use Audible, I'll put that link in the description below. The second essential oil is ylang ylang or ylang ylang. This oil is harvested from Madagascar. This beautiful star-shaped flower is used extensively in making perfumes and aromatherapy. Ylang ylang has been used to cover beds of newlyweds couples on their wedding night, soothe the skin, and to promote thick, shiny, luxurious hair. Ylang ylang helps to support the cardiovascular system, emotional balance, and hormonal system. Using this oil aromatically can increase sexual energy. I like to use this oil topically or aromatically. I'm just curious, are you new to essential oils or have you used essential oils for a while? Comment below. And what is your favorite oil to use for balancing your hormones? We would love to learn from your experience. The third essential oil is geranium. It is grown for its beauty and is a staple of the perfume industry. While there are over 200 different varieties, only a few are used as essential oils. Uses of geranium essential oil date back all the way to ancient Egypt, when Egyptians used geranium oil to beautify skin and for balancing estrogen in the body. I like to use this oil topically and aromatically. The fourth oil is lavender. This oil is also known as the Swiss Army knife because it is good for so many things. It is calming and has great chemical properties that improve cortisol levels. It also calms abdominal discomfort, mood swings, and hot flashes. I use lavender topically and aromatically. Speaking of hot flashes, peppermint is a great one to use. I have a video here where I talk about the benefits and uses of peppermint essential oil. Hormones are your body's messengers that travel in the bloodstream. They affect different processes in your body: growth and development, metabolism, sexual function, reproduction, mood, and sleep. It only takes a small amount to cause big changes in your body. Your environment, products that you use, foods that you eat can all cause a change in your hormones. Some of those can be controlled and some cannot. Xenoestrogen are foreign estrogens that have similar molecular structure to estrogen that can bind to estrogen receptor sites on our cells. This can cause your hormones to be out of balance. Xenoestrogens can be found in your foods, birth control pills, pesticides, hair dyes, perfumes, artificial food dyes, air fresheners, bath products, and more. Limiting the amount of xenoestrogens in your lifestyle can be helpful to balancing your hormones. The fifth essential oil is thyme. This oil has been helpful in balancing progesterone levels in your body. When using thyme topically, you'll want to use a carrier oil because it is considered a hot oil. You can take this oil internally either by adding a few drops to an empty capsule, or we do have some capsules that doTERRA sells with thyme in it. For example, the DDR Prime, the Z Omega, which is part of our Lifelong Vitality supplements. It's the essential oil omega complex. Not only will you be getting the benefit of the essential oils, but so much more. doTERRA also has the Women's Kit, which is a great kit for balancing your hormones. Nutrition is a key factor in balancing your hormones, so making sure you are taking a daily supplement is vital. And doTERRA has a great supplement line called the Lifelong Vitality. Make sure to check out my next video where I will show you step by step the different ways I like to use these oils to help balance my hormones.